Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper shelf frame in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper shelf frame. The crisper shelf frame is located at the bottom of the refrigerator section. It supports two bottom drawers and also serves as a bottom glass shelf. The main reason for the crisper shelf frame to be replaced is if it breaks and no longer supports the drawers or the glass. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. So now I'm going to remove both drawers, pull it out, lift it up, and take them out. Now I'm going to place my fingers underneath of the glass, push it up, support it, pull it forward to release the rear corners, and carefully remove the glass. And now the crisper shelf frame will be removed. Lift up the front, pull out, and we can take it out. I'm going to bring it and put it on the table so we can disassemble it. Let's place it on the table. So now, using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to remove this support. I push it aside slightly to open that seam and press it in and pull it out. It has two tabs, if you see on the side. That's how it locks in. Put it aside. And now I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and remove all four rollers that are attached to the crisper shelf frame. And now we can take it away. This is the old crisper shelf frame next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to place a new crisper shelf frame on the table and install all four rollers. So we're going to start with this one. I'm going to slide the roller on, and we are going to secure it with the Phillips screw. Continue installing that rollers and secure them with the Phillips screws. And we can install this central support piece. I'm going to place it right so it will fit in the cutouts. And I'm going to push it in. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press in this one tab to make it a little easier to install the whole thing. And I'm going to pick it up and install it into the fridge. Alright, so I'm going to place it on the top here and the back and put it down and push it in. Now the glass goes in. I'm going to put it here at the back, slide it into the slots, and the support from the bottom, and place it in. And now I'm going to slide in the drawers. And now we can close both doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.